Man, watch out. Now watch out. Watch out. Howdy, hey, welcome back. We got another video, guys. So today's video is going to be about this lawnmower right here. I went and purchased a lawnmower a couple of weeks ago, and I've been having some problems with it idling up and down, surging up and down, and I've already taken the carburetor off and cleaned it and everything, and it's still surging up and down, idling real rough. So I went and found another carburetor on Amazon. If I remember to put the link down in the description, I will. So we're gonna get into us replacing this carburetor on this Craftsman LT1500 420cc engine, and I think it's like the 17 horsepower. Nothing big and fancy. I just need to get the grass cut. But with that being said, I'm gonna show y'all the new carburetor that we got, and we're gonna get busy taking this one off. I'll be back with y'all. Bam, we back, y'all. So I purchased this carburetor off of Amazon. I think it was like $25. If I remember to put the link down in the description, like I said earlier, I will. So this is the carburetor. I think this is a ground for the fuel shut off right here, and this is just a power cable. Now I could be wrong, but I think this is the throttle, and this one here is the choke. The kit also has 2 filters, and the kit also comes with these gaskets, but I've already read all the comments to this kit. None of these gaskets actually fit this carburetor, so I'm not sure why they put these gaskets in there, but none of these gaskets actually fit this carburetor that they provided. So I think I'm able to use the ones that's already on it. But with that being said, guys, we're gonna get back to the lawnmower and show you guys the install. We'll be right back. Bam, we back just that quick. So guys, to remove this carburetor, you don't need anything special. The only thing you're really gonna need is maybe a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a ratchet, 3/8 quarter drive, it doesn't matter, a 10mm socket, and maybe a pair of pliers, because I see some of these hoses and I don't think I can loose it with my hand. But maybe a pair of pliers. So first, you got 2 10mm bolts, and what I didn't show you guys was the plastic piece that sits on top of the actual motor. I didn't show you guys how to take that off, but you just loose this bolt here. It's probably a 12mm, I can't remember, 12mm here, another 12 here. You have a 10mm bolt here, another 10mm bolt here, and one last 10mm bolt right here. And you'll be able to remove that plastic cover from the top if you would like to. So with that being said, take the 10mm socket, take off these 2 10mm bolts here. Y'all, I forgot to say it in the beginning of the video, y'all. Man, as always, I thank you guys for watching the videos. I thank you for supporting the channel. I thank you for tuning in. Always remember to like, subscribe, comment, and the subscribe button will be somewhere down here, down there somewhere. So make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, hit the post notification bell so y'all able to be notified when we post our next video. We thank you. Let's get back into this install, reinstall, whatever you want to call it. So let's take off this air breather here, and here's your carburetor. Now these are a little aggravating, so if you see me fighting with them a little bit, they're a little aggravating. So you want to remove this spring here. I believe this is like your governor spring. I could be wrong. Hey, don't be mad at me if I am wrong. As I say in all my other videos, I don't know if it's the right way, I don't know if it's the wrong way, it's just the way I'm gonna do it. So with that being said, guys, let's move this gasket first. Let's disconnect that, and mine was already stripped, so just pull it off. That's a ground wire. If you wanted to know, that's a ground. It attaches right here. I probably need an 8mm to remove that bolt there. But once we got this out, We're able to pull that end out, and we're able to slide the carburetor off the rest of the way. Pull off this throttle cable here, remove the spring, and y'all, we're gonna see if I'm able to pinch this, because I didn't bring the pliers with me. All right, guys, that's how you remove it. And just so you don't waste any gas, make sure you angle it up. And that's how you just remove the carburetor. So we're gonna get the new carburetor. It goes on this way. We're gonna slide that bad boy on, just like that, just like that. And here goes the fighting with these arms. And this new one, it comes with that little retainer. Pop that retainer off so that the spring is able to actuate. You don't need that anymore. Let's pop this in here, and let's get this and pop it in here. And this is your choke, guys, if you were wondering. And listen, disclaimer, I am not a professional, I'm not a mechanic, I'm not a small engines mechanic, I'm just a person trying to do it themselves to save money. So let's get this throttle cable put back in with this governor spring on it. Maybe I should have done that first. And what you want to do is you want to slide it. It has a hole in it, and then it has these grooves on the side. Once you slide it down in the hole, you're able to just let it slide into the grooves. Take this spring, it's a little mangled. Take this spring here, and let's slide this spring back into the hole right there. All right, guys, we have it thus far. Let's connect our power cable, which goes here. It just snaps in. And you'll hear a small little click. All right, we're back, guys. So I went and got a 8mm socket, 1/4" drive. Let's remove this ground screw here. And guys, if you wanted to replace your own, which you're probably already doing, it's not that hard of a job. Now, as far as adjusting the carburetor, not really sure about that, but hopefully it's already adjusted for us and we don't have to do anything. So you want to take your ground, put it in that bolt there, and just reinstall it exactly the same place you got it from. Let's tighten that screw back. All right. Let's take this gasket and set it right back. I know it doesn't look the best, but as long as it don't leak gas, we all right. And this gas line I took off. Get your pair of pliers and just slide this clip back so that you're able to slide it on. Now that you have that slid back, now you're just able to slide the line on. And let's slide this clip, a clamp, or whatever you want to call it, right back there. That's it. All right, guys, let's put this breather back on. Take your 10mm bolts, reinstall them. Take your 10mm socket, righty tighty, lefty loosey. And the kit came with some filters, but I'm not gonna put them on right now. I may put them on later. But all you have to do is, if you have a gas shut off, if I was you, I'll put a filter before it and a filter after it, and you should be fine. If you want to use the filters that came with your kit, you know, which you should. All right, guys, we got that tight, And I think the only thing now is to start the mower up and let's see if it's adjusted or if it's gonna work. All right, and I didn't show you guys, but I turned the gas off before I took the line off, so hey, just turn it back on. All right, let's see what it's gonna do. Still doing the same thing it was doing. Guys, I'm kind of lost. It's not working. Man, so guys, I thank y'all for watching the video. Even though it didn't go as planned, we installed that carburetor, but it's still doing the same thing it was doing, surging up and down. So pretty much, if you guys know what my problem may be, can you just leave it down in the comments below? Let me know your suggestions. Let me know what I could do to help solve the problem, because I'm kind of clueless right now. I thought replacing that carburetor would have stopped my surging up and down issues, but it's still doing the same thing. And as you saw me, I was trying to adjust everything, and up or down, close or open, it still was surging up and down. So I'm not really sure what's going on with it. I'm not really wanting to post this video, but if it can get me to help me solve what's going on with this problem, I'm gonna post this video. So pretty much there you go, guys. It's an install video, but it still didn't fix my issue. So if you know what my issue could possibly be, let me know down in the comments. I thank y'all for watching. I thank y'all for y'all love and support. I thank you for commenting if you do comment your suggestions. But with all that being said, man, I'll see y'all guys on the next one. Peace.